Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set up a Zoom meeting schedule using your mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to your Zoom application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your Zoom app, so okay, click the schedule. Okay guys, here in schedule meeting, you can set up a Zoom meeting title. So okay, and you can set up a date. So okay, and from time, you can set a time and to, okay, and the time zone, you can set a time zone. And you can set a repeat every day or none. It's okay. And you can also use your personal meeting ID. So okay guys. And you can set the host video on and participant video on. Okay guys, after you set up your scheduling meeting, so okay, click done on the upper right side on your screen. Okay guys, here you can see the details of your meeting. Okay guys, you can share your meeting ID and passcode via invite. All you have to do is click the invite. Add invites via Gmail, PayPal, Yahoo Mail, Message, or copy to clipboard. Okay guys, if you are not satisfied on your Zoom meeting details, click edit on the upper right side on your screen. And you can go back to edit meeting. So okay, after you set again your meetings, okay, click the done on the upper right side again. Okay guys, that's it. And so guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.